Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Lens ready so you can analyze video frames immediately. Make sure you have the Google Lens feature available in your Google app or the standalone Lens app. This gives you camera and image recognition access. Open the YouTube video and pause on the exact frame you want to inspect. Accuracy matters for text and object results. Once paused, use the Share menu and choose Lens or Open Lens and pick the screenshot. This first action captures the visual data Lens needs to work. Once you have the frame inside Lens, focus the tool on what you need: text, objects, or translate. Tap on the part of the image you want Lens to analyze. This tells the algorithm where to concentrate and improves accuracy. If you're translating subtitles or extracting a URL, use the text selector and choose Copy, Translate, or Search. For products, tap the shopping icon to surface matching items. Make sure to crop tightly and tap again to refine results. That reduces false positives. Now act on Lens output. Copy text to paste into notes, tap Search to find sources, use Translate for foreign subtitles, or follow shopping links for product matches. If results are fuzzy, retake the frame or increase contrast by adjusting the YouTube playback brightness and try again. Sometimes zooming in before capture helps. If Lens won't open or crashes, make sure the Google app is updated, clear the app cache, and restart your device. That resolves most access and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.